Can you use complete nutrition shakes for weight loss? Let's talk about it. Meal replacement shakes have become a popular choice for many people looking to kind of shed a bit of weight or lose those pounds. But do they really work? Meal replacement shakes, or more specifically, in terms of what I review on this channel, complete nutritional shakes, like your Huel, your Y Food, your Jimmy Joy, your Mana, your Ritana, etc., are designed to provide all the nutrients you need in a single serving in an exact calorie amount. So you know how many calories you're taking on board with that meal. Often, some of them are high in protein, which can help you feel more full and satisfied while reducing your overall calorie intake throughout the day. The idea behind diet meal replacement shakes is that you replace 1 or 2 meals a day with a shake to reduce your overall calorie intake and promote weight loss. But I would argue you're better off avoiding those specific diet meal replacement products, but use complete nutrition shakes, which are usually 350 to 400 calories per meal. Remember, not all calories are the same. It's not just about calorie deficit. You have to ensure that the calories you do consume, especially if you're reducing them, are still providing you with the optimal nutritional intake in terms of macro and micronutrients. That is what complete nutrition shakes, like the stuff I review on this channel, are designed to do. Our body needs calories to function. We've got that. On average, it's something like 2,000 a day for a woman and 2,500 calories for men. And I'm not talking about athletes and the like. I mean, your average Joe, as it were, and Joanna. But it's more complicated than just calories in and calories out. Of course it is. And there are far more qualified dietitians and nutritionists who will go into a lot of detail on all of this. But fundamentally, knowing what you are consuming in terms of ingredients, nutrients, and calories is a great start to help understand where you might be over-consuming or eating the wrong stuff. Not every country prints the calories and nutritional details on its food packaging like they do, say, in the UK. The great thing about complete nutrition shakes is that, 1, you know exactly how many calories you're consuming for your lunch and breakfast. 2, I know that it's providing the maximum nutritional content in terms of macro and micronutrients, 27 plus vitamins and minerals. And 3, it has a perfect balance of macronutrients in terms of proteins, carbs, fats, and fiber. So 4, I don't have to worry that my meal is healthy or not. I just know it is because it's been scientifically developed to be healthy. So if you don't know how much your breakfast is in terms of calories, or whether it's providing you with all your nutrition, or how many calories in that meal deal from the corner shop or supermarket you bought for lunch, or that cheeky muffin you had at coffee time, it all adds up. Complete nutrition shakes provide you with the calories you need, but more importantly, while delivering the correct balance of nutrients and giving you vitamins and minerals and all of that. Introducing this into your diet, replacing say 1 meal a day or even 2, is a great start, especially if you're in the habit of not having portion control at breakfast or not eating the right food. So you're not satisfied or full throughout the day, so you end up snacking. Complete nutrition shakes are developed to avoid all of this. However, it's important to remember that meal replacement shakes, complete nutrition shakes, they're not a magic solution for weight loss. While they can be a useful tool, they should not be relied on as your sole means of losing weight. It's important to get a balanced diet, and these help making sure that you get that balanced diet. It's also important to have variety and, of course, introduce some regular exercise into your lifestyle. And these complete nutrition shakes are a great way to kind of fuel up before you do exercise and equally after you do exercise. One of the benefits of complete nutrition shakes is that they provide a quick and easy way to control your calorie intake. They're also portable and convenient, which makes them a great option for people who are busy and on the go and all of that. But arguably, on the flip side, there are some downsides to relying on meal replacement shakes for weight loss. In my opinion, it's important that you use the right complete nutrition shakes. Yeah. And again, I'm talking about complete nutrition shakes. So if you see a meal replacement product, you need to ask yourself or read on the back, is this a complete nutrition shake? Is it providing me with complete nutrition, or is it just a way of reducing my calories? Go for complete nutrition shakes that are not marketed as diet shakes. In fact, in my opinion, avoid diet shakes, as they may not be as satisfying as whole foods or complete nutrition shakes, which can lead to cravings and overeating. Second, those diet and weight loss shakes may not provide all the nutrients your body needs for optimal health. It's important to stay healthy. So it's important to read the labels carefully and choose the shake that contains a variety of essential vitamins and minerals. Complete nutrition shakes, like the ones I've been testing for over the last 7 years, like Huel, Rutana, Y-Food, Mana, Jimmy Joy, Saturo, don't claim to be weight loss products, but they can help with a calorie-controlled diet and are a great way to a more healthy lifestyle. Getting a handle on what you consume every day is half the battle when you're trying to diet, but it can be a pain to prepare and buy all the right healthy foods. Complete nutrition shakes are a great solution to that. However, another concern that there may be with meal replacement shakes is that they may not teach you healthy eating habits or even provide long-term solutions for weight loss. When you rely solely on shakes, you might miss out on that social and cultural aspect of eating, which can make it harder to maintain your weight loss goals in the long run. That's why I'm not suggesting you replace all your meals with a complete nutrition shake. What I'm talking about is maybe your breakfast, especially if you're busy and on the go. At least you're getting a good start of the day. Or at lunch, I tend to have a complete nutrition shake when I'm in the office or something like that, if only for the sheer convenience of the grab and go nature of complete nutrition shakes. In conclusion, meal replacement shakes can be a useful tool for weight loss when used in conjunction with just being aware of what you're eating and introducing some exercise into your lifestyle. But make sure you choose the right products. Avoid those weight loss or diet products. Go for a complete nutrition shake to guarantee that you're getting all the right balance of macronutrients, proteins, carbs, fats, and fibers, all perfectly balanced. That you're getting essential vitamins and minerals and phytonutrients, and you're not losing out on any nutrients because you're going for a calorie deficit. And no, they should not be relied on as the sole means of losing weight. As I say, it's important to choose high quality shakes, nutrition shakes, to provide all the necessary nutrients and to be mindful of your overall calorie intake and eating habits in general. And I have found that complete nutrition shakes are a great way to kind of just be aware of what you're consuming, the amount of calories you have, the kind of balance of protein, carbs and fibers, etc. So in that way, it's a kind of useful education for what you eat throughout the day. Well, there you go. I hope you found that useful. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, then please hit those likes because I like it, YouTube likes it, and it helps people like you find content like this. And if you are new here, then do me the great honor, hitting that subscribe button, toggling that notification bell, and that way you'll know when I go live with content like this. And as I always say, it's worth checking my description down below because sometimes I get given discount codes by these various companies and stuff like that. So why not take advantage of that? Just check out in the description. And if you have any comments, then put them down in the chat as well. And while you're here, why don't you check out the videos on complete nutrition shakes that I've done over here? I think you'll find them interesting. Check them out. Thanks for watching. These ones. Yay.